And I don't think futhi bengingazilobola I mean I would rather start a business together and then he works on it or whatever that happened and he lobolas me. No, I didn't lobola myself. God, guys, your comments. Does Lena what? Does Lena get along with stepdad? Who? Why are you guys asking if Liana gets along with stepdad? Thank you, darling. Why do you post? Why curious what type of get this still uncommon? Why don't you do what? As you broke up with Monde, did the family take back the lobola money? No, bayisabi. Ha! Bangichamise kangaka bayisabi. Hayi. Yo. Ngizele 2 candles lapha. Every day bengitanulwa. Ngibali ibhikiri. Hayi. Ababuyisa umsobho wami. Hayi, babuyisa umsobho wami. Ha. Yeke. Njani? Bayisaphi? Hey. No, they didn't. No, Liana has a good relationship with everyone. That's all I can say. Liana was usesikolweni. Someone's asking me. If boy is alive, would your new boyfriend like him? If Boyo was still alive, would your new boyfriend like him? Why wouldn't he? Can do boy beganjani, guys, for him to not be liked or to even have a room of being liked or disliked? I don't get your question, baby. Yeah, I am shy. Shem username, I am shy in real life. What question? What kind of question is that? Like, how are things between you and Monde? Things are okay. We're raising Liana very well. Thank you. God bless. I don't look shy. I am. Like, I don't know who have met me. I was one okay before, but I am shy. I am shy. Ujola nobani Monde Skhotheni. Pilo. Ujola no hat. Yeah. Do you what? Yo, why am I questioning me? Why I fast? How is it shrimp is like how old are they? Oh guys, ipiringani. Like I'm very shy. Like I'm shy nyana. Is cheating the reason for a breakup? Never. I was not gonna leave Monde because of cheating. No. For what? Someone say, you don't value yourself. For umjolo, no. Between the two of us, from his side and my side, it's disrespect. Nothing more. Mina, I won't say cheating made me leave. Because I'm not going to leave because of cheating. You know, I think at some point we stopped valuing. We stopped valuing each other and understanding the importance of having each other in our lives. So since you said you accepted Jesus Christ as your personal Savior, this Skhotheni name, is it not an ancestral name? This is my name. How you know? Hi guys. So you're all gonna ask me about Monde. Are you for real? Guys, ningahamba shit. Get ready with me as I'm about to be late. Ningasuki lana late. Guys, then angiboni angiboni